In this video, I am going to show you how to remove unwanted audio from your video and record voice over. That means another voice over that particular portion of the video. I request you to go to the description below to find all related videos. So let us begin with this video. As usual, we have to first go to File, New Project, Widescreen Project. Then go to Import and import required media file. So I have already imported this file. Press on plus icon to bring it to the timeline. So this is the video which has been brought to the timeline. Now let us play this video and hear the audio. So we have just heard that there is no voice but there is some noise, right? So in this much part there is some noise and I want to remove this noise and say I have to record some voice over here. So for this purpose we have to first select that part over which we have to record a voice over. So let us say I want to record voice over from this location, say up to this particular location. So once I split this part, then press on this part and with right mouse click we have to go to detach audio. Okay, so now we can see this audio has been detached. Just remove it and place it somewhere. Now if I play this video over this part again, we can see over this part there is no audio. That audio has been removed now, and now over this part I have to make a voice over. So let us see how to do this voiceover. So for this purpose we have to go to this particular icon where it is written, clearly written, record a voiceover. So press this icon. Now this window will appear, record audio. Here we have to first confirm our microphone, like in this case this is my default. By pressing on this particular red icon I can start voiceover. Like in this case, if I want to say that this is a farm and over this particular portion where I have removed this audio or detached audio, I have to record something. So let us see how it gets recorded. Start this recording. So this is a farm where there is a sugarcane farm. So once I complete this part, then we have to press OK. We can see one audio file has been generated and which has already been brought to this particular audio track. Now if I play this particular video again, we can see. So this is a farm where there is a sugarcane farm. We can see. Now whatever I wanted I have recorded and it has already been added to the video. So this is the way we can record voice over and remove unwanted part and record whatever we want. I hope you understood how to record voice over to your video. Thank you very much for your patience.